Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. Highly recommend it. I did a poll on my YouTube channel asking people what's the next video y'all want me to make, auto loans or personal loans, and the winner was actually auto loans. So I'm going to be giving you Carvana versus Penfed auto loans. I'm going to show you the difference, and at the end I'm going to tell you my overall opinion, what I think of each of them and which one I would go with if I was in your position. So we're going to start off with Carvana, which they're backed by Bridgecrest Credit Company, so their money is definitely long. This will be a pre-qualification that if you see right here, so you don't have to worry about no impact to your credit report. So please don't have a lock, don't have a freeze on any three of these credit bureaus, but they will be looking at Experian. But once you are approved and you move forward, it will be on all three credit bureaus. Yes, so it will be reporting to all three. So just to give you a heads up now, with auto loans with Carvana, I'm gonna let you know they're starting off at 6.74%. We all know APR rates is sky limit high right now. So you got to know if you get a car, then payments might be a little higher. And you might be asking, what do you need to get approved, right? You need to have at least a 640 credit score, people. At least a 640 credit score to get in the door for any kind of approval. You might be asking, what kind of documents do I have? What are they going to be looking for, Sean? What are they going to be asking for if I decide to apply for a card on Carvana? Now, they will be asking for your 90 days bank statements. So you will have to upload 90 days, basically 3 months of your bank statements. You'll need to provide your pay stubs, your last 4 pay stubs. So you need to have that. You need to have a license. You need to be 18 years or older. Long as you could cover all those angles, you pretty much will be good and get approval, and you'll be able to move forward. Now, there's a lot of things that people do reviews and stuff like that on these different kind of companies, but they're not explaining. From 0 to 50,000, you definitely could get in with like a 640 and higher. You won't have any kind of issues. But if you go on for a car that's 50,000 and higher, you're gonna need to make at least $5,000 a month. But if you're looking for a car 15, 20, 30,000, 40,000, you could get in the door with a 640 and move forward. But if you want 50,000 or more, they're gonna want you to at least to be making $5,000 or more. This is very important. A lot of times people are not explaining these different things. You might be coming in here and say, hey, I want to get approved. Let me get this car. We're looking through everything. I see this car is about 65,000, but you need to, you need to be generating a good amount of money, at least 5,000 on the end. And if you're looking for a car 100,000, you need to be making at least $10,000 or more a month, right? So what you will do, we're gonna go on here, but let's just say you want to search for a car, real easy, simple, right? You could go down, look in your area, Google your area. I'm in Orlando, so this is what I'm putting for my location, but whatever location you're in. So let's say, for instance, you're looking for BMW, Mercedes-Benz, whatever it may be. Let's just click this Tesla right here. I want you to understand so you can see this real quick, right? So for this 2020 Tesla Model 3, almost 26,000. Scroll down, you can see the interior, you can see the outside, and then the good thing I like about them, you can see the Kelly book. See right here, Kelly Blue Book value is $27,623. Carvana is selling it for $25,990, which is under $1,600, which is really good. But it's up to you to see what you think. You can see definitely your mileage. You can see how many owners own this car. If it ever been in an accident, you can see the full report, which is really good, right? So let's go back out of here, and whatever car you're thinking about. So overall with Carvana, I think it's pretty decent, but just to let you know, if you're looking for a car over that 50,000, you're gonna need to be close to that 700 credit score, just to give you a heads up on that. But hopefully if you under 50,000, you should be pretty good. But again, my personal opinion, 6.74% on a car loan, it's pretty high, but we understand, rates are high all around. So we're gonna go over to Penfed, but again, you could click right here to see your terms if you want to get pre-qualified. So if you're trying to see about that pre-qualification, you could click right here, get your term, get pre-qualified. You're going to put your personal information. You got to put your phone number. They got to verify to make sure this is who you are. You know, they're going to ask you a couple questions. They're going to spit out that pre-qualification. Then at that point, you need to decide if you want to move forward or you don't. But you got to have those documents because they will be asking for them, right? So let's go over to the next one, right? Again, Carvana versus Penfed, right? So we over here at Penfed Credit Union, and we all know Penfed is one of my favorite credit unions. And right out the gate, you can see their rates starting as low as 4.4% APR, which is really good, compared to Carvana, which is starting off at 6.74%, right? So you got to keep that all in mind when you're thinking about getting approved for a auto loan, right? Again, they're going up to 150,000. You could get pre-approved in minutes, people. So you might be asking, what is the data points I need to get approved for a Penfed Credit Union auto loan, right? So you can have a little as a 620, which is really good. But the thing is that they are picky. Listen to me. They are picky when it comes to credit history age. So if you're new, your credit history is only 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. 9 out of 10, they're going to deny you. So I got to throw that out there so you can take your notes with that. Another thing they're pretty picky with, they don't like your credit utilization to be over 20%. Now, you might be saying, hey, would they approve me if I have 27%, 30%? Yes, they're going to approve you with that. But the APR rate, instead of being on the low end, is going to be on the high end. So these are things you need to consider when you're thinking about getting an auto loan with Penfed. Now, to get approved, you're going to need to upload your last 4 pay stubs. You got to upload that. You need to be 18 years old. You need to upload your driver license. You need to have those things. Again, you could get in with a low rate, but they are kind of picky with credit utilization, credit age, right? So let's just say you want to see your qualification, right? Let me move this up here so y'all can see. Right now, to move forward, are you a member? If you're not a member, it doesn't matter, right? So you can pick not a member, right? You click it right here. Once you click that, right, and you do the pre-qualification and you move forward, right? Once you get that pre-qualification, you decide you want to move forward, they will ask you to open up a savings account. You can open a savings account with a little as $5. So this is simple. This is easy. You'll be able to be a member with Penfed Credit Union, right? So you go right here to purchase or refinance, depending on what you're trying to do. You know, a lot of times people are trying to purchase car, but if you're a person you are trying to refinance, you can do that, right? So you click that, and again, you know, dealership, any licensed new or used dealership, you'll click whatever you're looking for. Let's just say you're going to a dealership, you're gonna click that, move forward. And then they'll ask you basically, do you know what car you actually looking for? You know, BMW, Chrysler, whatever it may be, yes or no, right? So you can just click no, move forward. You know, you can update it later, change your mind. Please note this may change your eligible offer. You know, again, new or used. So let's say you're looking for a used car, move forward, click. Now you got to put the amount that you're looking for. If you're looking for 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, whatever it may be, right? You will click that. Term, how long you want it for. Now this is going to be determine your pre-approval. You know, if you're looking for something for like 36 months, you got to think, or even 48 months, you got to think that your payments every month is going to be a little bit more higher, you know. So, you know, if you're looking for 60, or even 66, your payments will be lower. But a lot of times people don't like to drag out these auto loans, but a lot of times people say, hey, I'd rather pay it out longer, but my payments are lower. Once you move that, you will click that. Then they're gonna have to verify a couple documents. You're gonna have to upload your last 4 pay stubs. They're gonna, you know, they're gonna ask for your license, all these different information, and they'll see if you pre-qualify. Once you pre-qualified, if you decide to let you know, they will be doing the soft pull through Equifax. They deal with Equifax exclusive, so you don't have to worry about that. Make sure you don't have a lock, freeze, anything on your Equifax when you're gonna do a pre-approval. So again, overall, I will have to say between Penfed and Carvana, I will have to go with Penfed overall, even though they're a little bit more stricter when it comes to the credit utilization and the credit age. But again, the APR rates is a lot lower, 4.4 for APR compared to 6.74% APR. Is a big difference. Believe 2 to 2.5% can make a big difference. You know, a $30,000 car, $40,000 can really raise that amount, and that payment every month could raise that amount. So again, I need y'all to get in the comments and tell me what y'all think between these two companies, and tell me if you got a pre-auto loan with them, between the Penfed Credit Unit Auto Loan and between the Carvana, and tell me which one would you go with. Personally, my personal opinion, again, I'll probably go with Penfed, even though you need that 2-year credit history and that utilization. I'd rather save money over time. You know, a lot of people just trying to get these pre-qualification. They want to drive these new, get these new cars, but these loans is going to be high, and these payments every month is going to be high. So get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.